Hi guys, my name is Marshall. Today I'm going to show you all about this monofilament fishing line. It is white in color. It's made out of nylon and it's very smooth, abrasion resistant, and it cuts through the water quickly. Now this is the 15-pound version of this fishing string, and it is 350 yards of monofilament fishing string. So but it's a big old nice reel full of fishing string. And let's go ahead and open her up here. Yeah, it's got that little like crevice right there. So when you get done using it, you're just gonna slide it back in there. So if you guys are in the market for any fishing line, go ahead and get this one. You're gonna love it. Thanks.